Hello, I'm Steve. Welcome to the Patio Heat channel, where we create visual concepts of infrared heating as well as tips for outdoor comfort. Our one-on-one customer support helps you make the best decision for your application. We strive to earn your business. Visit our patioheat.com website for sales and more information. Now let's get heating. All right, so here we have this little Gazebo standalone residential application. And basically, let's just get right into the dimensions and overall dimensions we have here. So I have about a 16-foot one to the outside beam, and then 12.2 to the outside beam or support. And we also have a height of roughly about 7 foot 8 inches to this beginning of the ceiling area, and then it goes up to 10 foot 5 over here. There's a TV set here and fan. Now the client did ask for they have draped lighting throughout the span here. I would have to say you'd have to reorganize that, or just to allow the heaters. We can't work around everything, and if there's something that we can manipulate, then we're going to kind of push for that rather than trying to stick a heater where we really don't have all the details too. So in any case, you'll have to work around that. I only have one basic plan for this application that I think would work best, and that would be for using a SlimLine 4000 watt unit. Now you can see that I don't have the brackets mounted to the joist here. So the one nice thing about the SlimLine is that you can maneuver the bracket along the channel on the top of the unit. So here's the channel here, and then it goes all along the top of the unit, and you can see that you could just move that along. There are some basic limitations to that, but you should have no problem matching it up to, you know, this beam and this beam if that's the case. I don't have the exact location of each beam, so that information will have to be done in the field. So all right, so there's two 4,000 watt units. Let's just look at the clearances. So the clearances above the heater is 6 inches and 6 inches all the way around. We're meeting that by moving the heater approximately 9.5 inches up from the center here to here. Let's just go ahead and look at that just to make sure we have that information proper. And let's go here. And we have 7 1/16 of an inch to the center here. Now I do have this bracket positioned so that it is lined up with the slope up here, and then the heater, from pointing the heater straight down, I moved the angle of the heater itself 20 degrees, so that I'm still covering as much of the outside area as I can. Let's look at the clearances below. Clearances below are no issue. We do have a fan here. Again, I don't have the dimensions of the fan, but this is a 52-inch fan, so if it's larger than that, it should not be an issue. However, if it's a really big fan, then we want to make sure that we know more information about that as well. So there's the clearances, and let's go ahead and look at the footprint of heat. The footprint of heat on 2 units is capturing, I would say, at least 70% of the patio space. You can see I'm missing a little bit over here, but I'm not exactly sure where the seating arrangement really is, but we have good overlapping in the middle. So the actual footprint from here to here is approximately 11 feet. So that should not be an issue, and we're able, at that 20-degree angle, we are able to capture the full length over here. So if we were to wish to put, additional units, then you would have to, add additional units, something like this, where I think this would be overheating. But let's just say that we do 3.5 feet over, and then we move this over 3.5 feet, which I think is probably too much heat here, and we still need to watch out for the clearances. So we're not meeting the clearances right here, so I'm not quite sure if that is something that they wanted to do, but that would be the only way you could actually heat the entire space. Now you could use a shorter unit on one of these sets, or you could use shorter units on all four, but that would not be enough heat, I would have to say. There are shorter units, but again, you really want to make sure you have enough heat, and shorter units are just going to be just about as much as just the 2 units I showed originally, like this here. So all right, well, I hope this has helped. If you're looking for some assistance with your outdoor heating application and you would like us to review your plans, please send your information into designs@patioheat.com. I'm Steve. Please hit that like button. We don't advertise, we're not monetized. YouTube does not promote our channel unless we receive a thumbs up from you, and that's the only way others can find our channel. Thank you very much. Have an excellent day.